Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new, which you most likely are. My coffee isn't kicking in. This is not energy. This is very low amounts of sleep in the last week is what this is. So that's my disclaimer. Undoubtedly, you guys have all probably heard of the brand Shein or Shein. I'm not exactly sure what she's called, but it's something like that. For a long time, they've been posting ads on my Facebook. They've been following me around on every single one of my social platforms. I get ads for them everywhere. But I finally decided to just put them to the test because they have this like really extensive amount of clothing, and they also have a very famous plus size line. I kind of fall right in between plus size and standard size. In a lot of cases, I'm a size 12 or a size 14. Sometimes I'm a 10, sometimes I'm a 16, sometimes I'm a 37. Who freaking knows? It depends on the brand. For companies like this, I've heard that they run typically very small and the quality is really bad, but I've never actually put it to the test. And for some reason, these YouTube videos are all positive reviews, and I know that that's too good to be true because I know that these are not good clothing. Like, I just know that this much mass-produced clothing cannot be good.
Manage your expectations.
So I put it to the test. Again, like my Nasty Gal video, I wanted to do a try-on portion for it, but I genuinely, for the most part, did not feel good about myself in a lot of this clothing. I'm gonna explain to you why in just a minute. I'm gonna start off with the item that I'm not even unpackaging to try on, and it's this belt. It's supposed to be like a Western type of belt, but the buckle is so thin, like it's just flimsy. And I got this in a size, I think it was a 1X. It's so huge to the point where I don't even know, and it's like flimsy and just not good. I think I paid about like $10 for it, so it's not like that bad, but still. I was really curious to try this particular item because the reviews for it on the website directly were really good. I got a pair of high-waisted jeans. They're in a 2XL. They're not stretchy at all, which is kind of interesting. The button literally just says jeans fashion on it. It's so weird. There's not even a real tag, but they feel like absolute garbage. They are the oddest sizing. The thighs are gigantor. The waist is gigantor. Not proportionately gigantic. They are just not good. They are itchy. They feel very unbreathable. Like they're not cotton. They're not breathable, and they smell very odd. They smell like plastic, almost as if they're mostly made of plastic.
Wow, look at this.
Next is this lettuce hem mock neck crop tee. I got this in 2XL. I would say it's pretty true to size. It is see-through. You can see right through it. Let's see. Yep, you can see right through it. The fabric feels awful. Like it literally is itchy. Like everything is itchy. It's not like a soft knit like it said it was. Like the neck hole, like my head won't fit in the neck hole. It's not stretchy. It doesn't work. Next, another turtleneck t-shirt. I wish I could show you guys the model pictures, but I'm genuinely humiliated by them. So it's a navy blue turtleneck. It's in a size extra large. Said it was stretchy. There is some stretch to it. It's also see-through, which is not nice. And the fabric, again, feels god awful. It's like a almost waffle kind of thing, but it feels so stiff and not comfortable. And I will not be wearing this. I will be, again, returning it. All I gotta say, everything in this haul I paid between $10 and $20 for. No, $5 and $20 for, so I can't even find a lot of these items on the site anymore. The last top that I've got is this, and it looks cute. Like it looks cute because it's supposed to sit like this. It's got the cinched like bust. It doesn't. It sits like a square neck on your body, not like off the shoulder in any capacity. It has this like fake silk lining, and it literally reminds me of costumes, like costume clothing from when I was 12. Like it feels like those Disney princess costumes that you could buy at like Costco. Like it does not feel good. It is not soft. The idea of it was so good. I really wanted a pretty blouse like this, and I regret to inform everybody that it is the most itchy and uncomfortable thing I've ever put on my body. That's just the way it is. Next is another item I was very excited about. It's these high-waisted daisy print shorts. So let's talk about it for a minute. They look like, on the picture it looked like they were more of a triangular shape so that it would fit curves a little bit better. They don't. I looked like a cardboard box with them on. They are just like the other pair of jeans where they're super uncomfortable. These are also in a 2XL where the sizing is just not consistent. Like they're flat, like they're supposed to be like up. Nope, flat. What else? The zippers on all of their pants just feel so bad. Like they just don't feel good quality at all. And the print doesn't actually go along the back like it said it would. Kind of awkward. It's just kind of a little bit very awkward. And finally, I bought this skirt thinking that it would be cute because it was supposed to be an A-line short skirt. It's actually a very long skirt. It goes below my knees. It's too big, and it's also see-through, which is incredibly disappointing. I feel like I kind of want to keep this and try to fix it and like make it shorter and make it more flattering and add like some inner lining to it, like hem it and then fix it. I don't know, because I really like the print and I haven't found anything like it before. So I might try to do that. I might try to turn this into a good piece of clothing. But this, out of everything that I bought, is the only thing that I'm even considering keeping, because it's the only thing worth considering keeping. Isn't that disappointing?
Wow.
So let's talk about the whole Shein ordering process. You go through those thousands and thousands of articles of clothing on their store, put it all in your bag. There's a 15% off discount for students, which you don't have to prove you're a student for, so I think anybody can claim it. They usually have some additional sales. It's free shipping on orders above, I think, $50, which is not awful because $50 is a lot of clothes on their site. And it said it would take about a month to get here. It only took about 2 weeks. I ordered it at the beginning of June. It's currently June 20th and I got them 2 days ago. So it took 18 days from start to finish to get here, which is not bad at all, to be honest. I think that for costume clothing, it's good. Like for costume clothing, if you're like for Halloween, whatever, you just want something you're gonna wear one time, I think that it's passable. It's obviously not sustainable. It's obviously made in a sweatshop. So if like all that aside, and no judgment if you're cool with that, if you're cool with cheap clothing at the risk of quality, like that's fine. That's your prerogative, and in a lot of cases I can sometimes be that way as well. Yeah, it's great for costume clothing or one-time things. To return it, it does have to be unworn and unused, so I only tried it on, so I think I should still be able to send it back. Otherwise, I'll probably just go and donate it to a thrift store because it's not really worth anything, to be perfectly honest with you. It's one of those things where I wish that I could tell you like, yeah, you'll get your money's worth, but you really won't be getting your money's worth. Like, I think you're still paying too much even though you're not paying very much, which is really sad and honestly just depressing because I was so excited to get it and kind of sucked. I definitely don't think it's worth your money. If you are seeing this, if you have found this video, do not order from Shein. Just wait it out. Wait until your favorite clothing store that has a little bit better quality puts it out, because honestly, like, you're not really gaining much. Like, I feel like influencers definitely get paid by them to say that it's good, because there's in no way, shape, or form that I see any actual value in these clothing. There's no way, shape, or form that they're even passable for your staples and everyday things. Like, if you are looking for a pair of jeans, go to Levi's. They usually have some good sales. They have a really good sale going on as I'm filming this, and I ordered a pair. Just go, or American Eagle. There's so many different retailers where you can buy your staple pieces and they will be 10 times better quality at a very close price point. American Eagle, if you need any basics, they usually have them and they're usually on sale. H&M, all these different retailers that are still questionable with their production tactics. However, you can guarantee that there is some quality standard somewhere in there, because there definitely is. There just isn't with Shein, and there is with brick and mortar retailers, and honestly it's just not worth it. Keep that in mind if you are watching this video. This is your sign not to purchase from Shein. If you have any doubts about what I'm saying, like and you really want to just try anyways, go ahead. I don't know what you want me to say. If you want a positive clothing review, like up here I've got a Aerie bathing suit review that did well and is very positive. If you want some positivity, yeah, I'm sorry guys, I really didn't like this, and if anybody from Shein is watching this, I'm sorry. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. You don't have to, but if you did, you can. Subscribe down below, and if there are any other brands you want me to try, let me know, because I'm always down to try some stuff. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. I'm going now.